right here. Sit up straight, hold on tight, and enjoy your ride, ladies.
I love this. Look at how fast it is.
What a great day to be at the park.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
It's nice there's nobody here. I usually come on Friday mornings. It's nice to come on a Saturday. And still, I've never ridden flight up here. Every time I come here, it's closed. Woo! Every time I ride that, it gets a little better.
I'm staying until 9 o'clock tonight.
I got a 4-year-old, it's just 2 o'clock, so I think she's about ready to go home. Busch Gardens is our home park, so we live in Williamsburg, so we don't come out here that often. But it's worth it, it's fun. It's actually, I think it's better for the kids.
Definitely.
There's way more for them to ride.
Yeah.